Another thing too, like Tokyo Drifting, who is you talking crazy to? Because I don't know you and you don't know me. Just like you get on reality TV talking about females and disrespecting females, saying they ugly and shit too. You got your opinion. You don't have to think I'm cute. I'm not for you. Long as my nigga think I'm cute, that's all that I care about. I don't give a fuck what nobody say on the internet or what you say, bitch. Because long as my nigga think I'm cute, that's all that matters. I don't fucking care about your opinion, because just like I don't think you cute, somebody else might think you cute. I could give a fuck about your opinion, bitch, but what you gonna do about it? Because you're not gonna talk crazy to me on this internet, because I wasn't the only one that commented on your shit. There was a lot of people under there disrespecting you, commenting on your shit and shit. You gonna try to come at me? Bitch, you don't know me, first of all. I'm not one of these little TV people, bitch. I pulls up on motherfuckers. You shot from a cheeseburger, bitch. You need to go get on a fucking treadmill and exercise, bitch, because you look like one more fucking cheeseburger, you're gonna be obesity, bitch. Don't play with me, bitch. You don't know me, bitch. I'm not that one. I don't give a fuck what I said, bitch. I'm gonna be a fan all day and still pop my shit. Who gonna stop me?